Maybe that motherfucker. Oh, cool. Be a napkin, bitch.
Y'all need to wait for it.
Oh, God, hit me one.
You need some water?
No, try not to do it.
Yo, YBH.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Young Chess, man. Today I'm back with another banger, man. Which I'm finna drop bangers back to back for the rest of 2022. Now, today, man, as you can tell by that title or that thumbnail, man, I got some heat with me, man. But before we get to this video, man, I got a special guest who, you know, let them know who you is.
K2 Smoke, man. Y'all go follow me on YouTube and Instagram.
Y'all sub him. I'm gonna put his link to his channel in the description down below. Y'all can run that up. But look, we doing the one chip challenge though. Like it's I don't know how to pronounce that. But you trying to crunch your chip up and stuff, but it's like I don't know, but
Man, that shit is
it says inside one extremely spicy tortilla chip, man. So like we decided on doing half first. Kobe gonna come in with the other half. Make Dion do that.
Yeah, he said he ain't gonna do it, man. He ain't doing that shit.
Alright, but open it up. Like, open this up. It's so good, take it, bro.
Yeah, that big as fuck, too.
Okay. But look at, man, they packaged it about 3 times. I can't even get mine open. I think that's the sign, bro. It don't need, it smell hot.
Nah, it smell like a blue tack.
Chill, bro. Man.
Ooh, that shit about to burn, bitch. Hey, I just lit my finger, look. That shit about to burn. I ain't gonna lie to you, bitch. You gonna have to break that. I can't do no whole chip, bro.
Bro, I'm scared.
I'm teaching you the spicy food, bro.
Bro, look at this, bro. I'm talking about this on my hand. I'm gonna
I
have
ain't gonna cap, take, like, let it to your tongue, on God. Let it to your tongue, do it. Do it, lick it, like, don't even lick it, just do
bro,
it.
cause then if it's gonna be too hot, I ain't gonna
Tap
eat
it,
it, bro.
tap it, on God, tap it. That shit hot. Shit. Oh, that shit hot. Ooh. Look at these retards.
Hold on.
They eat that damn one chip challenge.
Nah, bro. Alright, but this one I'm eating, bro. Nah, bro. Already. I ain't gonna lie, I'm sweating, bro. Ooh.
Let me get that in the house. That be hot. Ooh, shit. 7 reasons. Ooh.
But my nose sweating already, bro.
Bye.
You ready, bro? We just gotta put the whole thing in, bro. Hold on, bro. Hold on.
Ooh, man, I don't think I can do this shit. I don't like hot shit, bro. I can take it, depends. I don't know. I'm take that.
Well, you ready, bro? Hey, Kobe, it's still filming, huh?
Who that is, though?
Yeah.
You ready, bro?
Oh, shit. That shit hot. Oh, my mama, that shit nasty. That bit, Avery. Oh, my mama, that shit nasty.
Tastes like cardboard.
No, I can take that good for though. I can take habanero for
Maybe that motherfucker. Oh, cool. Be a napkin, bitch.
y'all need to wait for it.
Oh, God, hit me one.
You need some water?
No, try not to do it. Where you going?
Watch out, bitch. I can't even swallow this shit.
KK, watch out. You say that bitch smell like ass. What the fuck? What the fuck, cuz?
Yeah, we're gonna follow him.
That bitch got it everywhere, cuz.
His ass finna die, fool. Y'all should have known his ass dramatic. He too dramatic for shit like this.
Oh, my mama, that shit.
You steady drinking milk, you sitting that shit.
That shit ain't helping.
I'll leave some of that shit out my finger, cuz. That shit hot as fuck.
KK, where you going? I'm not eating that shit. I'm not eating that shit.
Damn, tight now.
Oh my god. This shit. Oh shit. Ooh. But oh my god.
I'll leave some of that shit out my finger. That shit is hot.
Yeah, he too extra for shit like that.
Alright.
That big got ice cream, bitch.
Too damn extra.
Oh god, come on, Kobe. Come on, bud.
Bro, I just licked that shit. That shit is fucking hot. I don't want to eat this shit, bro.
Shit.
Alright, hold on. I'm
That bitch won't stop.
Still burning, KK? You still burning?
Oh.
Young Trish, how you feeling right now?
I'm finna cry up. Ooh. Ooh.
Look at the hill.
Bro,
This
chill. Go hit that man.
Swallow that shit.
That shit is hot. I'm about to feel it.
K2 Smoke, how is you feeling right now?
Don't put me in
D1.
That bitch stuck.
It's the word.
Get that man. That
Bro,
man.
eat this
Chill.
shit, bro. You standing holding the damn chip. Eat it. That little ass pig, eat that shit.
Oh, my mama beat that shit burning my tongue.
Eat it, bro.
Eat it.
Eat it, bruh. Eat it.
I ain't gonna count. If you swallow that bitch,
Yo, you didn't swallow it, did you? KK spit that shit out. Avery, you swallowed it? Oh,
Yeah, man.
I
That's
look,
my
it
throat,
went,
bro.
look, it went down right here. I threw that shit back up.
Uh-huh.
That bitch glass out, man.
Alright, I'm
Eat
about
that
to try
damn
it. I'm
chip.
not swallowing it.
I still won't stop. Man, you eat that shit like you retarded. The fuck?
Shit. I can take that shit.
Told I can take that shit.
That shit serious, bro.
You can take that shit, brother.
Damn, Kobe, what happened? I thought you could take that shit.
Ah! This shit burns.
Where you going, Kobe? You got a sweater on. Oh my god.
Damn, I should never. Oh, fuck.
That's ain't gonna work.
Kobe, you doesn't have back at
Oh, God.
Kobe, it's another half in there?
You catch any tickets like
You got it. But yeah, bro. Alright, but we gonna get back with y'all. We gonna get back with y'all about 5 minutes.
Motherfucking young Trish.
About 5 minutes.
10 for $10.
10. Let me see what you got. 10. Easy 10. Easy 10.
I don't know, Cake. Y'all struggling too damn much.
We just playing, but it ain't even hot, bro.
Nah.
So it ain't even hot, bro. His eyes are red. Come on, bro. Don't even think about it.
Heart beating fast as fuck.
I'm here about to die in that house.
Don't think about it.
Alright.
Don't think about it, Carl. Don't even look at it.
Oh shit. You just hurt me by that.
Oh my gosh. She did. Oh, it's nasty, ain't it?
Crazy as fuck.
Oh my god.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. It's not no normal hot. Oh.
What hot is it, bro?
What is like a fucking nasty ass? Oh, shit. Oh, fuck no.
Carla, where you going, Carla? You ain't got nothing to drink. But he gonna kill you, Carla. Ooh.
Oh, my fucking $10.
You ain't even eat it, you spit it
How the
out.
fuck is my mouth watering like this?
Bruh.
Oh, shit.
She thought we was tripping. Oh God, she thought we was tripping. But everybody did it, bro. Everybody did it, bro.
Fuck no.
Come on, bro. For the 10, bro.
Fuck no.
Carla got her 10, but for the 10, bro, easy bread, bro. I don't even think it's no more in there, but is it, bro? But this, but this bitch burn like my lip on fire. It ain't even touch my lip, bro.
Fuck no, mom. That shit.
Ooh, break it in half, bro. Like break the
Fuck
piece.
no.
Come on, but everybody did it, but literally,
I
bro.
don't give a
A small piece, bro. You gonna have to, but everybody did it, bro. Everybody, bro.
I'm about to go throw some lemon cream on it, bitch.
fuck no.
But come on, bro.
I don't even like how food like that. bitch.
He's so lame, bro.
Oh,
He's so lame, bro. Ooh,
in that motherfucker.
that bitch so hot, bro. Where my drink at, bro?
In that bitch, yeah.
But I thought people was over exaggerate. Oh my gosh. But where they at? But they went inside. They probably at the sink right now. Kyle, what's going on? How you feeling?
Still stuck in my face.
It's like that shit stuck under my tongue.
Yeah, bro.
It's like,
Oh my god. He got the freeze off. But this is so funny, man.
man, how you think your
Hey,
face
get
out?
it. God, real.
It's not gonna work,
You gotta drink it, bro. You gotta drink it. Stop spitting. But you still burning, bro. Ain't no way you can brush your in his eye, bro. Oh my god, bro, this bitch is so funny. Never again, huh? Never again. Look at the nose on that motherfucker right there. Yeah, what's Carla, I lost that 10.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I said, Carla, I lost that 10.
that shit gonna went away, but I'm good.
I ain't gonna lie, but mine went down, bro. And I swallowed mine. Y'all spit y'all's out. I think that's why mine went away though, cause I swallowed mine.
Yeah, I think mine got stuck right here and came back up, man.
Mine in my stomach though. I can feel it burning in my stomach. Like it's sitting there. So I know when I get on the toilet.
Swallow that shit, bro.
I know when I get on the toilet it's gonna be pain.
My fucking lips are burning.
But my top lip is killing me, bro. It didn't even touch my lip. That's what I'm saying. Like when I ate, I just put it straight in my mouth. It didn't even touch my lip. Procrastinate.
Like without ice, this shit is burning.
Oh my god, man. Hey man, y'all ran this video up, but hey, this is one of those challenges that'll kill you, man. Hey, if y'all running this video up.
Get that shit off your nose, nigga.
That bitch home.
You good, Kyle?
Bullshit.
Hey, Kobe, rate the hotness 1 through 10. A 4?
You a fuck ass.
1 through 10, but what's up, bro? Just the hotness, not even the after effect. Like just how it's hot, bro.
Man, I ain't gonna lie. That shit really like a one type shit. Like,
Bro, you said it's a 1, bro. You said it's a 1, bro. He got built way up here, bro.
I open it back.
He talking about what? What about you, Kyle?
This, it feel like I fucking snorted. My fucking nose is burning.
I ain't gonna carry that thing ain't gonna go, bro.
This show the fuck ain't.
It like,
When you
when I ate that big ass shit, I chewed it.
All over
You
your
know what
mouth.
I fucked up on? I chewed it and tasted it. That bitch was
I
so
was trying to
nasty I
taste
couldn't
it too.
swallow. I
Oh,
couldn't
God.
swallow it, and it got stuck right here and came back.
Bro, I taste it as soon as I put it in my mouth. It tastes like, no, I swallowed it, so it's in my stomach. It's burning in my
I
stomach.
couldn't swallow that shit.
Nah, hey,
I ain't gonna smell me.
it's in my stomach. I'm glad my stomach got it. I'm glad I ain't eat though. So,
Just imagine if we would have ate like the hotter one.
It is the hot one.
no, it's not. It's more. It's like 6 more, bro. Yes,
The
bro.
hottest one on that paper.
Bro, I'm sweating, bro.
Like all this is burning right here.
Part 2 one day.
I will. And just imagine if we would have ate that whole shit.
Oh God.
Yeah, we was really supposed to eat the whole chip though. Like we broke it in half. Bro.
Crazy
Like,
if you thought I was about to do that.
the whole chip though.
I'll probably look at my throat.
I ain't gonna
All
count.
that bullshit.
Now that I know how hot that is, bro, I want to prank somebody. Like, I swear, like I wind up switching some chips out with some bag full of hot chips, but I want to prank somebody now. Make them feel that pain.
You know,
Boy,
you would be an evil individual
all
to
my
do some
life
shit
we
like
did
that.
some shit like that.
I see why they be with $8.99 at the gas station. I thought they be supposed to be $1 or something. This was 1 chip. I'm like, why is it $9? They be with $8.99. You know how hot that video is? Hey man, that's it for this video though, y'all. Hey, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell so you know I'm watching these posts, man. So let's say no more, get straight to a whole nother video. You did.